Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So here I'm just showing you the porch and how it looked at the beginning before we started putting the new patio furniture on there. And you know, it was just time. It's very bare, very plain. And I want to do some fun with the area, so I decided to go to Home Goods. These are some plants that we added here. And we actually put them on the outside of the porch. And this is the set that we bought from Home Goods. It was pretty heavy. He was getting it out of the back of the truck. But it was so cute, you guys. It was only $5.99. The best price we had seen on outdoor furniture. It came with a couch, love seat, two extra seats, and a nice like faux wooded table. Look super duper nice. Very good quality, very worth the price. Best price I've seen. Now if you guys have seen other patio furniture cheaper than that, don't quote me, but from what I had seen, I went to Big Lots, I went to Walmart, and this was probably the best price that we've got on outdoor furniture. So right there, I'm just showing the chair. He had put it together. Cushion, very comfortable, very soft, and very plump. Like they had a lot of cushion on them. It wasn't like those little thin cushions that you get. They were very fluffy, very full cushions. So my baby was in the way, child. So yeah, we didn't get done till the nighttime when we finally got done with it. So we just kind of that's how it looked at that time. Just showing you the dog bed and showing you how things looked the night that we had got finished with it. It took him a while just because he was trying to put up the flowers on the outside, and for some reason drilling the hole in the wood, it was just taking him forever to get it done. So I mean, he did his best. I don't know what I'm showing here, but it's pretty dark. Oh, I think I was trying to show you guys the flower. Okay. Alright, y'all. This is the outside where he hung the flowers up. I was just showing you how he had it hanging. And we may change those out as the summer goes on. But here we put the rug down. We got that rug from Home Goods. Then I put the two trees out there. Those are faux trees that we got from Home Goods as well. And I freaking love those trees. I actually want the spire ones, but that'll do. Then we added the couch back to the other side, and then we put the two chairs, and then put the swing chair in the middle. Okay, that is the Fox wood table that we have right there, and I just have a small Fox flower that I got from Home Goods. So everything pretty much came from out there. It's from Home Goods. That is like one of my favorite stores to get things from. So we did the second part to our porch, and we finally screened it in. And we love it. It took them about 5 hours yesterday. We had some leftover material. I think total material was like $800. But they did seal the top so that bugs and things cannot get in, and we can actually enjoy the porch. We did leave a little open area here where the chairs will be, like the dining chairs will be sitting. I am happy with the open area because I wanted like best of both worlds, but I'm pretty sure we'll be in the inside more. So I don't know if we're gonna paint this white. I'm pretty sure we will, but it's also white trimming, so I just don't know if I want to paint all the trimming to match. But we're definitely doing the stain on the porch to match the shutters. So that is the plan. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys an overview of the porch. Don't mind my trees there. So the next thing we're gonna do probably is skirting, and we're gonna do some more things, but they're gonna be probably outdoor. So we are super excited and just very, very grateful that we had the opportunity to do this and complete this project. It was a time where we just talked about it, and then here it is. So um, it's just all God. I mean, I have no other explanation. But everything that I pretty much put to pass or say, it just kind of works out, and it has to be God. I have no other person I can give credit to. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying these summer days, y'all. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna basically show y'all how this trailer looked when we first bought it. And a lot of people may give me a lot of flack for the money that I'm putting into this mobile home, but it is ours, you guys. So you can put and make it however you want to. And don't let anybody make you feel any way about whatever decision you make, whether it's house, whether it's mobile home, wherever you decide to live, that is solely on you. But wherever you do live, make sure you put love into that home and you make it whatever you want to make it. I don't care about anybody else's opinion about what I'm doing or why I'm doing what I'm doing. I do what I want to do because I want to do it. And I felt like this was best for me and my family, and we have not regretted our decision yet. So, yay! So, this is the before. Yeah, not too hot. And this is how it looks after. Thank you guys for watching.